Tonight's midweek dinner is a flamboyant yet simple ground meat and pea pie. And that's the beauty about having puff dough lying in your freezer, where stylish dinners get done in a jiffy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating this. Out here, I'm just going to use some regular oil into a pan, get it nice and hot. 20 mils of regular cooking oil into the pan. As it gets nice and hot, we're going to infuse it with nearly 8 cloves of garlic, finely minced, along with 1.5 inch bulb of ginger. You want the ginger spice to elevate this creation. A quick stir and allow it to infuse all together. As you see the ginger and the garlic getting those brown gnarly bits in and accentuating the flavor, comes together with nearly 4 green chilies finely sliced up. A quick stir, and into this goes 2 bulbs of, or rather 2-3 stalks of celery finely chopped up. The scents are sharp, but they balance out the ground meat really well. In goes 3 leeks finely sliced up, and we're just going to let it get that gorgeous subtle green color coming together. As the leeks elevate to that subtle green color, in goes 500 grams of ground meat, and we're just going to brown it and allow it to caramelize on the highest possible heat though. As the meat has browned really well, in goes nearly a tablespoon of tomato paste. You want it to be nice and concentrated, so just mix it together really well. And about 4 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Just put that in and stir the entire thing well together. In goes 100 grams of frozen peas, and we're just going to season the entire thing up together with some rosemary, lavender, sea salt to just give it a good sprinkling of the same. And allow this to cook on the slowest possible simmer for nearly 10 minutes till the peas just about get done. Garnish this with a fine sprinkle of some cilantro, so nearly 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of it. A quick stir, and we're going to switch off the flame, allow this to cool, and then just put it into the pie mold to bake. Having rolled out the puff dough and lined my pie mold, I just chilled it, and this stuffing is ready to go right into it. Puff dough can always be store-bought, or if you want the recipe, go into my playlist in basics and find how to create your own puff dough. Once you create it once, you will always want to create it time and time again. Roll it out and use it as suits your needs. 1 egg, seasoned and lightly whisked up, just goes to cover the rim all around so that you can put the topping on top and allow it to nestle in. I've cut out another disc just to put it on top and seal the entire creation up. So allow it to touch the egg, sealing the entire pastry. And now it's time to garnish this with a little bit of that old world charm. A perfect slathering of an egg wash on top to give it that gorgeous golden brown color. Get to garnishing it with some leaves, just an intricate design right on top. So out here from the puff dough, I've cut some leaf imprints just to elegantly style this quirky creation of mine up. Final brush on the leaf imprints, and this goes bang into a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for just about 20 minutes till it gets the most flakiest of textures. Perfectly golden brown, this starry creation of mine is ready. I hope you enjoyed creating my version of a ground meat and pea pie for an elegant midweek dinner. Pair this either with a lovely salad or just go right ahead and indulge in it all by itself. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.